Dulux, we know that your home is a deeply personal space, and how special it is for you to style it your way. And so, we are delighted to bring you Dulux Velvet Touch, fashion trends for walls, a range of fashionable colors, patterns, international finishes, and wall prints that make your home a reflection of your style. To make the process of selecting your color and making combinations very easy, Dulux presents the Velvet Touch Decoration Tool. The decoration tool brings together an open palette with 100 fashionable colors, 100 patterns, and 40 options in wall finishes to play with. Using the tool is real simple. Here's a quick demonstration on how to make combinations. First, browse through the colors arranged neatly in color families and choose a color you like. Now, go down the same column. You will see the colors get bolder. Choose any one of these to make a tone-on-tone combination. Use the lighter color on 3 walls and the darker color for your feature wall. To make a classic combination with a pattern, go further down in the same column and select a pattern or finish you like. But that's just one of the many kinds of combinations you can make. Colors which are close by in this rainbow arrangement also complement one another. Pick a color and combine it with a color from an adjoining column. These colors are in natural harmony with one another and make a pleasing pair. The further apart the color families, the more is the contrast in combinations. To make a bold color combination, pick a color and jump 2 or 3 rows to either left or right of it. Go down this column and select a color to give a wide contrast to your room. If you're looking for some more inspiration, flip the card over and see the colors divide themselves into 4 distinct themes. Portraits by Manish Malhotra is a hand-picked collection by India's leading fashion designer. Check out the exclusive Manish Malhotra Red to make a unique fashion statement in your home. Pearl Elegance is a delicate palette of powder pastels, whites, pinks and violets that lend subtle sophistication. Creative expression is bold and adventurous with clean, bright oranges, yellows and purples. Stylized simplicity brings out nature's beauty with its fresh palette of sky blues, grass greens and natural earth colors. Palettes so brightly designed that each color goes with other colors within the theme to evoke a distinct look and feel in your home. This is the complete guide to help you find your color, combination and overall style. Now you can also picture your walls before you paint them with Dulux Visualizer app. Just download the app on your smartphone, available on Android and iOS. For more information, walk into your nearest Dulux Decorator Center or log on to dulux.in.